My name is Adam Bean, and today I would like to compare the performance of two lambdas, one invoking a method directly and the other one invoking a method via reflection and annotation. So should be slower. And I would like to compare the performance of a Coldstart performance and warm invocation performance. And for deployment, I would like to use CDK version 2, Cloud Development Kit version 2 from AWS. And as a template, it's already checked in on my GitHub account. It's just, a simplified version of the Bootstrap. It just combines Maven with CDK. So take a look at the code. So this is the CDK code. I have two lambdas. One is called no reflection, and the other one is called reflection. And this is the fully qualified name of the lambdas. And I'm just using the CDK to deploy both. So it usually takes a minute. So let's start the deployment. And for that, I would like to invoke build and deploy don't ask. So this script, it says clean Maven package and CDK deploy. So combines both commands. So now my AWS account is still empty. So this is just a test lambda. It doesn't belong to this project. It was deployed 3 months ago. But take a look at the source code. So the first lambda, this is very simple. So we have on event, and I'm just calling this method, and it returns hello, no reflection. And the other one returns hello with reflection. But as you can see, it's a little bit more complicated. First, what I'm using here an annotation called invoke me. And this is a runtime annotation, so it's visible in the bytecode. And the reflection lambda, what it does, it iterates all over the methods. So first, I'm loading the class. This is the metadata. Then I'm asking the class for all the methods here, and then searching for a method annotated with invoke me, and then invoking the method via annotations. There are no parameters, so I don't have to pass the parameters. So this is a parameterless method. So let's see how it behaves. So it is already deployed. So let's start with no reflection lambda. So as you can see, 5K, no dependencies, no reflection lambda. Test it. And I would like to directly invoke it. So this is the cold start. This is the very first invocation. So hello, no reflection. I forgot to mention, I'm shipping or deploying the lambdas with the smallest available configuration of 128 megs of RAM. So I also get only a fraction of a CPU. So so the first invocation was build duration was 460 milliseconds. So the subsequent invocation is 1 millisecond, and because of JIT, it gets faster and faster, sometimes even below the 1 millisecond mark. You get built for 1 millisecond. So this was the no reflection lambda. So first invocation, roughly 460 milliseconds, subsequent invocation, sometimes even under a 1 millisecond. So let's see what happens with the reflection lambda. So let's test it again. And let's take a look at the cold start. And it was 100 milliseconds longer, which is remarkable. The cold start. And let's see what happens for the subsequent invocations. So, and it is a little bit slower. So it is never under 1 millisecond, but still this is roughly 1 millisecond. So it's hard to tell because it's also quick, but I would say it is roughly 10% difference, but it's still incredibly fast. So you can see how fast Java actually is. So thank you for watching. See you at subsequent and upcoming conferences, workshops, AWS Live, or even projects. So thank you and bye.